second grade and I go to S.A. Washington Heights. We are at Farm Through Farm for a field study. I am your classroom correspondent. Let's go. This is a sheep. Did you know that chicken has more bones in their neck than a giraffe? We're going to the hayride.
Does anybody know we have grown here behind me?
Let's go get a pumpkin. Oh my God, there's a lots of pumpkins. Well, that's kind of heavy. What are you gonna do with your pumpkin? Carve them. I'm here with Farmer Tim. How long has this farm been open?
The farm has been in the family since 1913.
What do you grow on the farm?
We grow all different kinds of fruits and vegetables.
Farmer Tim, why is farming important?
Farming's very important because that's where we get all of our food from. Without farming, we wouldn't have any of our food to eat or any of the food in the supermarket.
Thank you, Farmer Tim.
You're welcome.